Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Yusuf Tris Sulaiman Jakaria, and my student ID is 211224105. I am from the Civil Engineering Study Program, and I will briefly explain one of the research topic in soil mechanics, namely the compaction test. Compaction test. Background: Indonesia is home to numerous islands with varying soil types, properties, and strength, including clay, silt, sand, and other. Before initiating infrastructure development project, company or organization assigned to such tasks must conduct thorough planning to ensure successful construction. By, perfor- by performing a soil investigation in the area where construction is planned, we can determine the type of structure that is suitable from the soil condition in that region. Soil mechanics is a branch of geotechnical engineering, which itself is a subdivision of civil engineering. Soil mechanics focus on studying the physical and mechanical properties of soil, enabling us to understand these characteristics and predict soil behavior understanding sorry, under specific load. One the method used to achieve this is called the compaction test. Problem formulation. Number one, what is the definition and purpose of the compaction test? Number two, what are the types of compaction tests? Number three, what equipment is used conducting the compaction test? Number four, what are the steps involved in performing the compaction test? Number one, definition and purpose of the compaction test. The compaction test is a procedure used to determine the relationship relationship between water content and soil density. This test, performed by converting soil with varying water content using mechanical energy such as damping. The purpose of the soil compaction test is to the determine the optimal water content and maximum dry density of the soil. The result of this test can be used to establish the requirement that man the meet during soil compaction work in the field. Type of compaction test. There are two types of compaction test: the standard compaction test and the modified compaction test. Within that step, There are three procedures, which are determined based of the particle size present in the sample. This is a graphic. Equipment used for the completion test. Number one, mold with a diameter 4 in or 6 in. Standard or modified completion. Grammar, measuring spoon, rubber mallet, star guided knife, measuring cylinder, water, mixing tool, dry soil sample, minimal weight 20 kilogram, container, drying oven, specimen ejector, tooth, scale, plastic sheet. Testing procedure. Number one, prepare 5 soil sample is stored in a plastic bag with weight adjust according to the mold size used. For a 4-inch mold, each soil sample shall weigh at least 2.5 kilogram. And for a 6-inch mold, analyze for 4 0.5 kilogram. Sample soil in dry condition. Number 2, mix each sample with varying amount of water differing by 50 cc. For each sample, the first sample mix with 300 cc of water, the second with 30, 35 300 cc, and so on up to 5 sample. For a 6-inch mold, the distilled water content shall be at least 100 cc. Next, place the mix sample back into the flash bag. Let the sample rest for a minimum of 24 hours to enzyme uniform mixing. Compact the sample inside the mold using the specified test type and procedure. Standard compaction test procedure B, which involves 3 layers, each compaction with 25 blows. Level the surface to align perfectly with the mold size. Weigh the sample while is still inside the mold. Next, remove the sample from the mold. Place the sample in drying oven to determine its water content and process the data and plot in all graph. Here is a sample of a compaction test graph. Okay, next. Conclusion. Before starting construction project such as building a structure, road, and others, it is essential to have competent soil capable of supporting the load. Proper soil compaction requires the right water content. By conducting a compaction test, we can determine the appropriate water mixture of a safe optimal water content and maximum dry density. This information can then be applied to the file or project site. Thank you. That concludes my presentation. Apologize for any shortcoming. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.